teachers and ideal students, I welcome you with the warmest greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Kashfa Nazeeb from JHS Kapran, and today I stand here in front of you presenting my views in favor of philosophy of truth and non-violence. था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, ये हिंदू मुसलमान कुंबा हमारा, मोहब्बत का हथियार कैसा निराला, मोहब्बत का हथियार कैसा निराला, गुलामी की जंजीर को काट डाला. Truth is now illustrated through the use of violence. This is one of the guiding principles created by the man known to the world is Mahatma, the great soul, moral and spiritual teacher. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was born on October 2, 1869 at Porbandar in western India. He sacrificed everything, even his life, for his country. Truth and non-violence, our main topic, two pillars of his life. मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, हमें याद रखने हैं वो नगमे सारे. Gandhiji said, my religion is based on truth and non-violence. This is my God. Non-violence is the means of realizing Him. When I despair, I remember that all through the history, the way of truth and non-violence have always worked. Even if you are a minority one, truth is always truth. Fools mock at non-violence. Wise men admire it, while great men practice it. Non-violence, said Mahatma Gandhi, is the weapon of strong. तेरे ज़बां दिल में था एक रब तो सादिक, तेरे ज़बां दिल में था एक रब तो सादिक, तू अदल का पुजारी रूहानियत का आशिक. Under Gandhiji's leadership, India won of freedom through the unique weapon of non-violence. Non-violence is the force of love. Believe it or not, love is a stronger weapon than the atom bomb. Avoidance of the physical force, pain, torture, the death on others is the first article of the non-violence. Non-violence is a summit of bravery. It's the brave man's courage to defy without injuring the others. Gandhiji said, non-violence is not to be used ever as a shield of courage. It's the weapon of brave. So let's spread his message of truth and non-violence all over the world. Violence can never treat violence. I repeat, violence can never treat violence, only love can. At last, I want to conclude my speech by these few lines. शोहरत से तेरे बापू हर सो मेरे वतन में, शोहरत से तेरे बापू हर सो मेरे वतन में, तेरा ही तज़किरा है दुनिया की उन चुमन में, तू फूल बन के महका कुछ इस तरह चमन में, तू फूल बन के महका कुछ इस तरह चमन में, खुशबू समा गई है अफसुर्दा जान तन में, तूने वतन को बख्शी हुस्नो यकी की दौलत, तूने वतन को बख्शी हुस्नो यकी की दौलत, तूने बना दिया है भारत को मिसाली जन्नत, तूने बना दिया है भारत को मिसाली जन्नत.
Teachers and students, I say Harish Nisar from GXVille. Welcome all of you with Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am here to deliver a speech about philosophy of truth and non-violence. दुनिया में वही शख्स है तहज़ीम के काबिल, दुनिया में वही शख्स है तहज़ीम के काबिल, जिस शख्स ने हालात का रुख मोड़ दिया हो. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was a man of millions who teaches the lessons of peace, truth and non-violence. The philosophy and ideology of Mahatma Gandhi is still relevant today. According to him, truth and non-violence are the sides of a same coin. He considers ahimsa as mean and the truth as end. He was a great supporter of peace, as he believed that truth and non-violence are the means through which peace can be gained and problems can be solved. Do you know, International Non-Violence Day is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, as he was a preacher of non-violence and a symbol of truth and non-violence. We know that, according to the philosophy of Mahatma Gandhi, truthfulness is a conformity of outer with inner, action with intention, speech with belief, and the preaching with teaching. As we know that Gandhiji belongs to the Hindu religion, so in the sacred book that's Mahabharata has a Gandhi philosophy. There were two
social political weapons he used in achieving his goals. Gandhi says that truth and non-violence are the two sides of the same coin and considers ahimsa as the means and truth as an end.
Hamsa, standing in front of you, studying in class 10. I am very thankful to Mr. Sabzar sir, who gave me the chance to stand in front of you. So, today I want to say something about Gandhian philosophy of non-violence. I want to welcome with Islamic greetings as Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. जिस दिन से एक औरत रात को शुरू करती है, जिस दिन से एक औरत रात को शुरू करती है, या जिस दिन से एक औरत रात को शुरू करती है, आजादाना तौर पर चलना फिरना शुरू करती है, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि हिंदुस्तान ने आजादी हासिल कर ली. Mahatma Gandhi was a great patriotic Indian. If not the greatest, he was a man of greatest and the unbelievable. Great personality, he certainly does not need anyone like me praising him. Furthermore, his efforts for India independence as unparalleled, most non-worthy. There would have been a significant delay in independence without him. Mahatma Gandhi is the greatest apostle of peace the world has from the efforts of Buddha and Christian. His nation of peace is certain as non-violence, individually, soul, force, forgiveness. At first glance, global peace innovates might be the persuaded as per the flung methodologies that have wholly derived from his ideologies, philosophies, feel that today conflict are far more the complex.
In the name of Almighty Allah, the creator and the sustainer of whole universe. Worthy principals, sir, respected jury members and teachers, dear audiences, myself Mahid Ahmad Mir from Government High School, Rishinagar, presenting here a speech on the philosophy of truth and non-violence. Dear audience, our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, peace be upon him, said, the one who lies is not among us. Truth or satya and ahimsa or non-violence are the foundations of the Gandhian philosophy. Truth and non-violence are the two socio-political weapons he used in achieving his goal. Gandhiji said that the truth and non-violence are the two sides of the same coin and considers ahimsa as the means and truth as the end. Non-violence seeks friendship and understanding with the opponent. Non-violence does not seek to defeat the opponent. Non-violence is directly against evil systems, forces, oppressive policies, unjust acts, but not against the person. Through reasoned compromise, both sides resolve the injustice with a plan of action. Gandhiji, who is known as the father of nation, he used truth and non-violence as his tools during the freedom struggle against British colonial rule. Gandhiji was assassinated on January 30, 1948, almost 5 months after India gained independence. But his ideas of truth and non-violence still remain relevant in the 21st century. To him, non-violence was not just a negative concept, but a positive sense of love. He talked of loving the wrongdoers, but not the wrong. He strongly opposed any sort of submission to the wrongs and injustice in an indifferent manner.
Respected jury members, dignified teachers, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Mir Alima Tariq from Government High Secondary School, Vihil. Today on this great occasion, I am going to talk about truth and non-violence. Gandhi saw violence pejoratively and also identified two forms of violence, passive and physical. As we saw earlier, the practice of passive saw earlier. The practice of passive violence is daily affair, consciously and unconsciously. It is again the fuel that injects the fire of physical violence. Gandhi understands violence from its Sanskrit root, himsa, meaning injury in the midst of hyper-violence. Gandhi teaches that
Principal Sahib और दीगर सामाइन अस्सलामु अलैकुम. मैं उमैया माशूक आपके सामने गांधी जी के एजाज में एक नज़्म पेश करना चाहती हूँ. वो गांधी की लाठी डांडी का डेरा, वो गांधी की लाठी डांडी का डेरा, वतन में वो लाया नया एक सवेरा. था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, ये हिंदू मुसलमान कुनबा हमारा. मोहब्बत का हथियार कैसा निराला, मोहब्बत का हथियार कैसा निराला। आजाद जौहर भी साथ साथ आए, आजाद जौहर भी साथ साथ आए, उल्फत के नगमे भी मिलजुल के गाए। वतन में मोहब्बत की शमा जलाई, वतन में मोहब्बत की शमा जलाई, अहिंसा देवता ने गोली है खाई। मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, हमें याद रखने वो नगमे सारे।
दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना डाल, दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खड़ग बिना डाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, आंधी में भी जलती रही गांधी तेरी मशाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम। धरती पर तूने जब डंक लड़ाए, दागे न कहे तूप न बंदूक चलाए। दुश्मन के गिले पर बिना की तूने चढ़ाए। वारे फकीर खूब करामात दिखाए, चुटकी में दुश्मनों को दिया देश से निकाल। साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल।
शोहरत से तेरे बापू, शोहरत से तेरे बापू हर सू मेरे वतन में, शोहरत से तेरे बापू हर सू मेरे वतन में, तेरा ही तज़किरा है दुनिया की अंजुमन में। तू फूल बन के महका, तू फूल बन के महका कुछ इस तरह चमन में, तू फूल बन के महका कुछ इस तरह चमन में, खुशबू समा गई है अफसरद जानो तन में। तूने वतन को बख्शी हुस्नो यकीन की दौलत, तूने वतन को बख्शी हुस्नो यकीन की दौलत, तूने बना दिया है भारत को मसले जन्नत। ये इनकलाब आया तेरे ही फिक्र फन से, ये इनकलाब आया तेरे ही फिक्र फन से, आजाद हम हुए हैं बापू तेरी लगन से। वो गांधी की लाठी डांडी का डेरा, वतन में वो लाया नया एक सवेरा। था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, था ईमान उसका अहिंसा का नारा, ये हिंदू मुसलमान कुंबा हमारा। मोहब्बत का हथियार कैसा निराला, गुलामी की जंजीर को काट डाला। आजाद जौहर भी साथ साथ आए, आजाद जौहर भी साथ साथ आए, उल्फत के नगमे भी मिलजुल के गाए। वतन में मोहब्बत की शम्मा जलाई, वतन में मोहब्बत की शम्मा जलाई, अहिंसा देवता ने गोली है खाई। मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, मोहब्बत के नगमे थे बापू को प्यारे, हमें याद रखने हैं नगमे निराले।